Have you ever felt that your voice couldn't be heard? Or maybe you felt or have seen God move in your life, but you just didn't know how to share it? Well, now you don't have to be silent anymore.
When you pray for the Lord to help you, and when you ask Him for His help, you can't be surprised when He does things for you.
See, sharing your story might not only help others, but it might set you free too.
My life is not my life, that it's God's life for me. And when I remembered that, I felt like it was like this huge weight was lifted off my shoulders.
Now is the time to share, to speak up and be heard. Give voice to your testimony. Watch, share, tell at mytestimony.me.